Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how can you integrate Lite application in your GHL. So first of all, go to your agency level and select the level of marketplace from the menu and search the application which you want to install. In my case, I will want to install the Lite application. So click on install. For installing that application on all the locations, select the agency from there, or if you want to install this application on a specific location, so select the location from there. So in my case, I want to install this on all the locations, so I click on fix my online, check this one and check this one, and click on proceed. So it will install this application on all the locations that are available in this agency. So the app is installing. I will install it previous. Yeah, successfully installed. I Then I will go to the location. So I want this location and check the application that I will install now. So I like Lite. So for configuring this, I need API key. So for API key, I go to the Lite application. There is an API key because I will configure it before. So I want to configure it in now again for your purpose. So I go to the Lite and from the menu I will click on integration, and from integrations I will get the API key. I click on use, and I will create the token. If I want to create a new, I click on generate token and token name test. Just click on this and create token. So the token is successfully created. So I will copy the token and paste there like that and submit. So the app successfully configured. Okay, so now for testing I will go to the automations there like that. Although I create a new one, or if I want to use the existing, so I search it from there. So in my case I use this workflow. I will click on it now. For testing Lite, I will click on the plus button to add the action of Lite there. So I will search Lite from there. mm, this one here, all the action of Lite application. So I will create group, let's say. So here I will name the group. So I will make a test and save action. So this section is successfully added there. This is how we can use the Lite application. If we want to use another action, then I will, let's say, get group. So for testing another action, I will select on update group, and here I will change the name of the group, test1 maybe. Or here from the previous action I will map the user ID or group ID, so it will be configured from there. Okay, so this action will also work from the previous action. Thank you.